Hello there and welcome again to Diamond tutorial series, and we will continue our FPS by Diamond in Unity. In the last video we did a zoom camera by clicking right mouse click to zoom and dezoom the camera, and in this video we will do a shooting function, and when I shoot something I need to spawn a spark on the shooted object. So let's begin by creating a graph, call it shoot tuto shoot fps. Okay, tuto shoot fps. Create it here in tutorials fps by diamond, for example. Graphs. Okay, select the folder. Now in my created state machine I don't need for now another states. I need only the idle states in which I create my logic. I call it shoot, and in my logic I need to tell the input that when I click the left mouse button, mouse 0, the left mouse button, when I click the left mouse button I need to tell my camera here, I tell my camera send a ray beginning at the center of your screen, viewport to ray from the center of your screen, center of your viewport, the center of my viewport 05 on X and 05 on Y, and going to the world. I need to do this when I click the left mouse. So for the viewport, the viewport is your screen, but normalized. It means when you choose here 0 0, for example, on X and Y, it means you will you need a ray going from this point, beginning at this point. And if you choose 1 1 this point, and I choose I chosen 0.5, 0.5 is the center, 0.5 on both X and Y, the center of my viewport. So I need a ray going from the center to the world. This a simple way and good way to perform aiming in FPS games. So now when I have my ray, I need to cast objects in the world. So create a node and choose a variable type of ray. Fill the fields needed, the origin of the ray and his direction from the camera. And now one is a very tiny ray. We need a ray taller ray. Layer mask is for ignoring something in the world. For example, if you want to ignore water, you tell your ray, you put here the number corresponding of the water to ignore water. But if you need to ignore something, anything, you need to ignore, you need to hit everything. If you need to hit everything, you choose -1. -1 means everything. Hit everything. I ignore nothing. I have my and I need to perform my ray casting when I click the left mouse button. So the logic is done, and when my ray hit something I need to spawn something. Spawn a game object. I created a little particle system called spark to simulate spark effect when the shoot when the bullet hits something, and I need to spawn it. I need to spawn it and choose his orientation, his up orientation. The up orientation of an object, for example, choose whatever you want. An object, for example, has the right direction, red one, the forward direction, the blue one, and the up direction, the Y, the green one. Here I am telling my spawned object to be spawned at the point the ray hit something, and you get the normal of the heated surface, the normal of the shooted surface, and orient yourself along this normal, and you spawn when you need to be spawned. You need to be spawned when my ray hit something. And here we go. With only 4 nodes, we implemented a ray casting with instantiating object. So return to your state machine, generate your script. So Daemon generate for you a script with the same name of your graph to find it fastly, and you can add it to your camera, for example. Here choose scripts created by Daemon, and what is his name is Tuto Shoot FPS. Tuto Shoot FPS, and here we go. Let's try it. It doesn't work. It doesn't work because here he don't know which camera he need to use. I can tell him choose the game object the script is attached to. The script is attached here to this game object. This game object has already a camera component, so automatically the script will get a reference of this object, and the script will use this object in which the script belongs. So generate the script. Script is generated, and now let's try it again. Okay, here we go. When you hit something, you spawn a spark normally to the surface, normally to your surface. So with 4 nodes, only 4 nodes, you can implement this feature on your game. Thank you for watching.